Hello guys, my name is Atasi. On this video, I will share tutorial how to hide root for Dana apps Indonesia. Okay, let's go teman-teman. Okay, the method I used is with App Manager. You can download on the link on the pinned comment in below. And you can see I have installed the latest Dana app on Play Store. And this happened when I tried to open my Dana apps. You can see I'm using the GIS Delta without any modal for hide root. I only use modal for hide performance and etc. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Step 1. You can install App Manager first. Now you can open the apps and get permission with Sumagis. Rooted. Search Dana apps on the search bar on top. Open and select bar activity. Now you can write unsafe on search bar. Next press and hold on this toast, and select IFW. And last you can tap triple dot on the top right, and select Apply Rules. Now I will try to open my Dana apps. You can see this. Congratulations, the tutorial today's work. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. You can support us with subscribe on this channel, and like if you like it, and dislike if not like it. See you on the next video. Bye bye.